For this recipe, you need to have your turkey stock ready. In case you don't have a turkey stock, I have made a recipe before. I will link it in the below description if you're looking to make one. Once you heat up your stock, you will add to it some sage leaf. I think sage and turkey go well together. Once your stock is hot enough, it's time to add in the rice. I'm using US grade long grain rice. Let that cook on low heat for about 10 minutes and then let it cool down on another 10 of heat. Then you're ready to serve. This is how your rice should look like. I suggest serving this rice with some leftover turkey or some ground turkey. By the way, the sage leaves here are edible. Just in case you added sage leaves with the stem, just make sure that you remove the stem. The leaves are great to have. Here I fried some turkey bits with some seasonings and I added them in. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel and sharing the videos with your friends.